Yes, good afternoon, guys, to all of you. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? So, guys, this is the second session of last lap revision series. And, guys, in this session, we are going to have questions from theory of machines and machine design. Okay. Actually, I was planning to have the questions from production as well. So guys, this is the second session of last lap revision series. Yes. So guys, I was planning to keep the questions of production as well, but production is a big topic. So for this, I am planning a separate session. Okay. So for production, we will be having a separate session. Is it clear, guys? So for this, we will be having a separate session. So today we will be having the questions from theory of machines and machine design only. For production, we will keep a separate session, okay, and that will be there. Most probably tomorrow we are going to plan it, okay. So सर HPCL का एडमिट का डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, एक बार अपने ग्रुप में पूछ लीजिए टेलीग्राम के, ठीक है, मे बी जिसका हो गया होगा। और अगर कई बार क्या होता है कि जब बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ करते हैं तो कई बार साइट या सर्वर डाउन हो जाता है, ठीक है, तो मे बी दैट इज द इशू। ट्राई करते रहो, ठीक है, तो हो जाएगा आज शाम तक, डोंट वरी। So guys, now without wasting the time, we are starting. So these are my areas of interest. Everybody is aware of, because you guys are coming on the regular basis. Shreyas Mechanical World. So you know HPCL test series is available on Resultant platform, where we are going to provide you like a large number of tests. More than 75 tests are given to you. Okay. So guys, next we are going to have, if you are preparing for GATE engineering services, for them we are having separate batches. There we provide 1000+ hours of live course where we cover complete ESC plus GATE syllabus, and you can watch the recording any number of time from laptop also, from tab also, from mobile also, and study notes in the PDF form, PYQs in the PDF form, doubt sessions are also there. And every week we are having a weekly quiz, and 165+ tests are provided in this course, okay. And guys, these are the support numbers for mechanical. You can see these are the numbers you can contact, okay. Then guys, this is the mechanical team, okay. Now Vikas sir is also added to this. So guys, this is the very first question. So if you are preparing for RRB JE, then for RRB JE also CBT1, CBT2 and CBT1+2 both batches are available now on the Resultant app, okay. So solve this question, guys. This is the first question from theory of machines. Question level will be same as that of HPCL, okay, because this session is dedicated to HPCL. So the lead screw of lathe with nut is a rolling pair, turning pair, screw pair or sliding pair. In HPCL, majority theory questions you will find. Pankaj is saying the answer to be B. So guys, do like and share the session so that other student can also join. Yes. Answer will be. So all of you are saying B. Yes, it is correct. Lead screw with nut. Anything which is having screw, nut, bolt, nut, they are always going to be a screw pair. Okay. And if they ask in the form of higher pair or lower pair, then screw pair is a lower pair. Okay. So along with that, I am covering some other questions as well. This was question number 1. So guys, today we have question from theory of machines and machine design. For production, we are keeping a separate session tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we will be having the session related to production. So guys, this is the second question. List 1, we have sliding pair, turning pair, rolling pair and spherical pair. And list 2, we have ball and roller bearing, rectangular rod in a rectangular hole, ball and socket joint, circular shaft revolving inside a bearing. So dear, what would be the answer for this? What would be the answer for this? This is question number 2. The PDF of this session will be provided to you on my Telegram channel, that is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. Yes, guys. What would be the answer for this? What would be the answer for this? Okay, Shreyas is saying the answer to be C. Pankaj is saying the answer to be B. Nikhil is saying the answer to be B. So guys, first of all, let us see. You are going to have circular shaft revolving inside a bearing. That is a pure rotation happening. So pure rotation is happening in the turning pair. So we would be having B with 4. So B with 4 is available here only. There is no other option can be correct. So B is going to be the right answer. Very good, Rajneesh. So answer is going to be straight away B. Okay. But you can check others also. Like whenever we are talking about ball and roller bearing. So ball and roller bearing, ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint is the example of spherical pair. Ball and roller will be example of rolling pair. Sliding pair is this. Okay. So answer is going to be B for this. B is the right answer. Very good, Nikhil. Very good, Pankaj. Moving to the next question, guys. Question number 3. 3 is going to be from the number of inversions. Yes, guys. So question is, if n is the number of links in a mechanism, then the number of possible inversion is equals to. So guys, you know how we get the inversion? Whenever we have a number of links, we can get inversion by fixing one by one link. Okay, but at one time we have to fix only one link. Yes, guys. So Pankaj is saying the answer to be B. Okay, what about others? Rajneesh is saying the answer to be B. Mechanical Word is saying the answer to be B. Try to put like question number also along with the answer. Dear, I don't know why you are saying B. My dear, if we have number of links is equals to L, then my dear, number of possible inversions are always less than equals to L. It can be equals to the number of links. Like in single slider crank mechanism, we have 4 inversions. In simple 4-bar mechanism, we have 3 inversion. In double slider, we have 3 inversion. If he is not giving the name of the mechanism, then my dear, it is simple now. If we have 4 links and you are saying by fixing one link, we are getting one inversion. So if you will fix one by one links, how much inversion is possible? 4. But it will depend on the mechanism that if out of 4, 2 inversions are giving same relative motion, we will consider them one inversion. Then number of inversion will reduce. So answer will be A for this. If they are asking the possibility, possibility will be N only. But if they give simple 4-bar mechanism, if they write simple 4-bar, then my dear, for simple 4-bar, it will become 3. If they say single slider crank mechanism, it will be 4. If they say double slider crank mechanism, it will be 3. So dear, based on mechanism, it can reduce. But otherwise, the answer for this is going to be the maximum possible. What would be the answer? Answer will be A for this. Moving to the next question, guys. Question number 4. This is from transmission angle. Transmission angle. Very good, guys. Wonderful response. So guys, tomorrow, are you ready for production? Tomorrow's session is not yet planned, but I want to take it. Are you ready? Tomorrow 11:30, shall we have a session on production? Please tell me. Please let me know. Can we have a session tomorrow on production questions? The transmission angle is minimum and maximum respectively when the crank angle with the fixed link is. Nikhil is saying C. And remember, on 15th August, we are having the full mock test. Answer for this is going to be C for sure. So my dear, when theta will be 0, we are going to get mu minimum. When theta is going to be 180 degree, we are going to get mu maximum. Okay? Yes. So answer is going to be C for this. Very good, guys. Animesh, D is not correct, C is correct. Great. Great, guys. So moving to question number 5, guys. In HPCL, this level of questions are coming, guys. Numerical questions are very less because you have to solve 180 question in 150 minutes. Yes, what would be answer for this? Which of the following is not an inversion of single slider crank mechanism? Which of the following is not an inversion of single slider crank mechanism? Ackerman steering, beam engine, locomotive coupling. Yes, locomotive coupling is the same option. Yes, I feel this question is wrong, guys. I feel this question is wrong. Okay, leave it. Leave this question. Moving to this. The locus of eye center of a moving body relative to a fixed body is known as space centroid, moving centroid, body centroid, or none of these. Yes. Actually, in the previous question, we were having two options same. That's why I said you to leave it. Okay. Otherwise, yes, if you see from these options, beam engine is an inversion of simple 4-bar mechanism, but still options are not correct. So moving to this question. Don't worry, I have more than 30 questions today. Today I have more than 30 questions. What would be the answer, guys? Typing error is there actually in the previous question. The locus of eye center of a moving body relative to a fixed body is known as. Yes. Nikhil, Rajneesh, Animesh. Is it space centroid, body centroid, moving centroid, or none of the above? Tell me, guys. So I would like to tell you, this is a previous year question of one of the PSU. The answer for this is going to be space centroid. Okay? Because you know that whenever we are going to have eye center of a moving body relative to a fixed body, it can be anywhere in the space. So that is why I define it as space centroid. Centroid is nothing but the locus of eye center. Centroid is locus of eye center. Okay? So moving to the question number 7, my dear. The space centroid of a circular disc rolling on a straight path. Rolling pair is there. This is a question from basic eye center. For pure rolling motion, you need to tell the centroid. Question number 7. Everybody. Do like and share the session, guys. Yes, Nikhil. Shreyas. Nikhil is saying C. Mechanical word is saying C. Shreyas. Pankaj. Shreyas is also saying C. Very good, guys. So you are aware that for such case, this point is going to be the eye center. At this point, we'll be moving in this path. So this is my centroid. Centroid is a straight line. You guys are correct. Clear for everybody? Yes, moving to question number 8, guys. Coriolis component of acceleration. Coriolis component of acceleration. YS centroid is the locus of eye center of rotation. Exode is the locus of eye axis of rotation. Okay, like if this is the eye center, then if a axis passing through this eye center perpendicular to the plane of board, that is said to be eye axis. So if eye center will move in a straight line, then eye axis will make a locus of plane surface like this. So centroid and exode, if you see, exode is one level more than centroid. Okay, centroid is the locus of point, exode is the locus of the axis passing through that point perpendicular to the plane of paper. So when this line will move like this, these axes will make a surface like this. These are eye axis. Okay, fine. So everybody is saying the answer for Q is D. You guys are correct. So my dear, I would like to tell you some points of Coriolis. Coriolis component of acceleration. First of all, it is a real acceleration, not imaginary. It is a real acceleration, not imaginary. Magnitude is 2v omega, and it acts when one body slides over another rotating body. Okay, very good. So answer for this is going to be D. Moving to the next question, guys. Moving to question number 9. This is from gears. This is from gears. This is from gears. From gears. Stub tooth is a non-standard profile of teeth, a basic rack of straight sides except the fillet arc, longer than standard tooth, shorter than the standard tooth. What would be the answer, guys? What would be the answer, guys? So as I said, tomorrow be ready. Tomorrow we will be having the session of production. And for production, I will come up with 25 questions. And guys, on Monday, every day now session will be there till 15th of August. Because as you have exam on 17th, so one day before you would be requiring the strategy session only. Okay. So for this, my dear, answer is again D. If you are aware of that, when we are talking about the gear teeth, this is the gear teeth. Then, my dear, you know there is a problem in a gear of interference. To avoid the problem of interference, we are going to cut the addendum. So we cut that part of teeth which is causing interference. So that is now becoming the stub teeth. So by cutting the teeth like that, we can reduce the chances of interference. So that is D is the correct answer. Moving to question number 10, guys. This is once again from the gears. Yes, YS, you are correct. Very good, Sunil. So guys, next question is question number 10. When two shafts are neither parallel nor intersecting, power can be transmitted by using. Yes, everybody. Okay, Pankaj is saying B. All others are saying D. When two shafts are neither parallel nor intersecting, power can be transmitted by a spiral pair. Yes. So dear, I would like to tell you, whenever we have axis to be parallel, then we are going to use spur, helical and double helical. For intersecting axis, we use bevel gear. When axes are neither intersecting, like one axis is this, other is this, we will use spiral gear. If we have one axis is this, other is this, we will use worm and worm wheel gear. So guys, even if worm and worm wheel is the option, then also the answer would be D. Okay, Oldham coupling is used for lateral misalignment. Lateral misalignment. Moving to question number 11, guys. The type of gear used to connect to parallel coplanar shaft. Parallel coplanar shaft. Parallel coplanar shaft. Parallel coplanar shaft. I have just told you. Difference between Oldham coupling, hook joint, universal joint. YS, if you are going to have two collinear shaft, like first of all, answer this question, then I am telling you. Answer this question first. Answer this question first. YS is saying the answer to be D. Dear, answer is D. Straight spur gear, for sure. I just told you here. Spur gears are used for parallel axis. For intersecting axis, we use bevel gear. So a very good question is asked by YS. So dear, if you want to join two shafts whose axes are collinear, we use flange coupling. If two shafts we want to join whose axes are angularly misaligned, we are going to use the universal joint. Okay, if the axes are laterally misaligned like this, okay, then we are going to use Oldham's coupling. So that depends on the application. Moving to question number 12, guys. Question number 12. Question number 12, guys. So in question number 12, the ratio of pitch circle diameter in millimeters to the number of teeth. Pitch circle diameter in millimeter to the number of teeth. Yes. Easy question. Easy question. Very good, guys. As you are going to say module, it is diameter in mm divided by number of teeth. Module is always defined in mm. If module is coming 5, we say 5 mm itself. Then, my dear, if you are talking about the circular pitch is pi d by t. Diametral pitch is t by d. And here d is in inches. Okay, so keep in mind this difference. Moving to question number 13, guys. Question number 13, guys. Do like and share the session, guys. We are still left with 15 plus more questions. Question is, in case of a gear pair with involute tooth profile, the pressure angle throughout the contact is constant, maximum at pitch point, minimum at pitch point, zero at pitch point. Yes. Dear, whenever we are talking about involute, for involute it is always constant, and that is the beauty, because in involute, whenever we are talking about, it is always going to be constant, but in cycloidal, it is variable. It is starting from maximum, becoming zero, then once again becomes maximum. Yes, Ranjan, very good. So answer for this, but answer is not B, dear. Answer is A for this. Okay, A is the right answer. Moving further to the question number 14, guys. A gearbox in an automobile. Gearbox in an automobile uses a simple gear train, epicyclic gear train, reverted gear train, or compound gear train. Yes. Very good, Shubham. Tell me the answer. So tomorrow we are having the session for production, guys. Tomorrow we are having the session for production. Okay. Every day I am coming up with one subject. So just be ready. Now you are going to have session every day, every day, every day. So dear, I would like to tell you, if you are talking about in general automobiles, when you are saying in general, you are not considering a specific bike or a specific car. So for that, you would be saying the answer is going to be epicyclic gear train. Generally, sun and planet type of gears are also used, okay, in some of the applications. So when we are talking about this, the answer will be C for this. Moving to question number 15. This is from Klins Construction. Question number 15 is from Klins Construction. So dear, this is, you are studying in acceleration analysis. This you study in acceleration analysis. This you study in acceleration analysis. So my dear, whenever we are talking about automobile, it covers all the applications, differential, everything, okay? What would be the Klins construction to be used, guys? For what purpose the cleans construction will be used? Dear, I am also going to make a session where I will tell you the application of different gears and gear trains, because every time when question is coming from theory from that part, students are giving wrong answers. So one theory session I am going to record for you guys, where application of different gears will be there, which will help you to remember that. So dear, cleans construction is going to be used if alpha of crank is 0. That is the condition. It means omega of crank is going to be constant. And this is valid only for one mechanism, that is single slider crank mechanism. Only for this mechanism, single slider crank mechanism. And that is nothing but, answer will be crank has uniform acceleration, uniform velocity. B is correct, guys. Very good. Yes, everybody is okay with this. B is the correct answer. Moving to the question number 16, guys. The amount of energy absorbed by a flywheel is determined from. Yes, Bibash, Ranjan, Animesh, Radhe, Nikhil, Shreyas, mechanical word, Shubham, YS. The amount of energy absorbed by a flywheel is determined from. The amount of energy absorbed by a flywheel is determined from. You know, for that, we have T theta diagram. You calculate like this. This is work done. Yes or no? So answer will be A for this. Very good, guys. Moving further, this was question number 16. Moving further to question number 17. This is from balancing, guys. This is from balancing. In balancing, the partial balancing means balancing partially revolving masses, balancing partially reciprocating masses, balancing partially revolving and reciprocating masses, or none of these. So dear, I would like to tell you, whenever we are going to balance the rotating masses, we have achieved the complete balancing. So whenever we are going to have the reciprocating, you would be talking about partial, because complete balancing of reciprocating masses is not possible. When you are going for that, it is possible only in case of multiple cylinder engines. That is also not for every configuration. So answer for this is going to be B for this. Clear for everybody? हाँ निवेश, केवल टी थीटा ही पढ़ाया जाता है. Moving to question number 18, guys. From governor. This question is from governor. This question is from governor. Question number 18 is from governor. Everybody. This question is saying the effort of governor refers to, is it the mean force acting on sleeve for given change in speed, or it is the work done on the sleeve for given change in speed, or it is the useful power developed, or it is equivalent centrifugal force? What it is? Shreyas is saying A, mechanical word is saying A, YS is saying A. What about others? Very good. So guys, answer for this is going to be A. A is correct. Mean force acting on sleeve for given change in speed is going to be effort of governor. So that is correct, my dear. Moving to question number 19, once again from governor itself. Moving to question number 19, once again from governor itself. Very good, Animesh, Radhe, Vivash, Ranjan, Shreyas, mechanical word. Animesh, yes, effort is always, actually it is mean effort, mean force. Why mean force? Actually between two positions of sleeve in the governor. At every position is considered as equilibrium position. So when you consider any two positions, then force is going to vary in that. So that is why we consider mean force. Yes, everybody guys, very good. So dear, whenever we are talking about the spring control governor, there are three types of diagram. In controlling force, three types of curve are coming. One is this, other is this, other is this. This is FC is A plus BR, FC is A minus BR, FC is BR. I told you, if you want to see whether it is a stable or unstable governor, you make a speed line. This is a speed line. If speed line is going above, you can see after this point speed line is going above. So it is going to be for what? They are asking you for stable governor. This is going to be for unstable because speed line is going above. So this is for unstable governor. If you are talking about the speed line here, controlling force curve is above. So this is for stable governor, this is for isochronous. So for stable governor, the answer is B. B is correct, guys. Very good, very good, very good. Moving to question number 20. Okay, if you make a speed line on this, so it is always together. That's why it is isochronous. Answer is B for this. Moving to question number 20, guys. Moving to question number 20. One more question from governor itself. So guys, we have 10 more questions. We have 10 more questions to come. Sir, will there be revision for heat transfer also on YouTube? Hard year. For fluid mechanics and heat transfer, Chandrasekhar sir is taking the session. Okay. And like if you see on this channel, there is a schedule given to you. Okay. On that schedule, I have already taken one session for mechanics and SOM. This is for TOM and machine design. Tomorrow I will take for production. Then Monday, Tuesday, before your exam, everyday session is there. Okay. So Chandrasekhar sir will be covering fluid mechanics, heat transfer and thermal part, like I am covering TOM and MD. We are covering everything. Extra subject also I have scheduled one day. Okay. So even if you will download the Resultant mechanical app, there some free tests are also available for HPCL. You can appear into that as well. Okay, one full length test is also going to be available by tomorrow. So dear, which one of the following governor cannot be isochronous? Dear, I would like to tell you only spring control governor can be isochronous. So that is why answer is what? Because all other three governors are spring control governor. So if anybody is asking, only spring controlled can be isochronous. Okay, guys. Moving to question number 21. Vibrations, guys. Moving to question number 21. Vibrations. Moving to question number 21. Vibration. You can see the equation. X double dot yes. Tell me, guys. You can say x double dot omega n square x बराबर 0. So guys, from here you can say omega n square is from here you can find out Fn. Yes. Answer will be coming out to be 3.5 hertz. Clear, guys, for everybody? Moving to the next question, guys. Question number 22. Question number 22. Three springs K1, K2, K3 are connected in series. The stiffness of a single spring equivalent to these three springs would be equals to. Yes, series combination, my dear. You are aware 1 by K equivalent is 1 by K1, 1 by K2. This is the series combination. Very good. So, Bibash is saying C, Nikhil is saying C, Animesh is saying A, mechanical word C. Okay, C is the right answer here. If you see this, you will take LCM, K1, K2, K3, K2, K3, K1, K3, K1, K2. So, K equivalent will be just inverse of this. Answer is C for this. Moving to question number 23, guys. Machine design started. Machine design question started. Machine design question started. A cold rolled steel shaft. Guys, after your HPCL paper, we are starting the series related to gate as well. So be there with us. We are going to help you in all the exams, whatever are possible. If you are preparing for RRBJE, our AEJE channel separate is there. Okay. There also you can see the session if you are preparing for RRBJE. If you are preparing for GATE, ESC, HPCL, all PSU exam, then stay at this channel only. This channel will give you all the sessions related to them. Okay. So guys, a cold rolled steel shaft is designed on the basis of maximum shear stress theory. The principal stress induced at the critical section is 60 and minus 60 respectively. The yield strength is 360. The factor of safety you need to find out. So guys, first of all, you know that for MSST, we have sigma 1 or sigma 2 or sigma 1 minus sigma 2 less than equals to SYT by N. You can see both principal stresses are of opposite nature. For opposite nature, we use this formula. So you will write 60 minus of minus 60 is 360 by N. Answer will be coming out to be 3. B is going to be the right answer. Sir, tomorrow is an FM training exam. Okay, Shubham, what is the timing of that exam? Can you tell me that? What is the timing of that exam? Can you tell me that? हाँ गुरुदत्त, मैंने आपको मेल किया था for AE batches. We are in like discussions. So by 15th of August or maybe within next 2-3 days, we will tell you the final. Actually, we don't start anything before we have the complete team for that. Okay, because we don't want you to suffer. Once we have enough resources, then only we start a batch. Okay, so like you can see, any batch whenever we are starting when we have the enough resources for that. So yes, that's great, Gurudat. So just give me 2-3 days, I will let you know. Okay, within 2-3 days. Okay, 10 to 12 it is. Okay, fine guys, then tomorrow session I will keep at some other time. Thanks, Gurudat, for your wonderful love and support, your faith in us. Just give me 2 more days. I will tell you. Okay. So the answer for this is going to be 3. Moving to question number 24. Question number 24. The ratio of maximum shear stress. The ratio of maximum shear stress in a machine component to the nominal stress at the same section is. Is it a stress concentration factor, endurance limit, Lewis factor, or Lorenz factor? Okay, Shubham. So tomorrow at what time shall we keep the session then? If you guys have 10 to 12 exam, tomorrow shall we keep this session in the evening in that case? Shall we keep this session at 5 p.m. tomorrow for production? As some students have exam. Shall we keep tomorrow time for production to be 5 p.m.? Or shall we shift it to Monday? Or shall we shift it to Monday? Okay, guys. So this is stress concentration factor. It is going to be sigma maximum, sigma nominal. You are correct. Answer for this is going to be A, guys. Okay, fine. So guys, do join my Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. There I will inform you about this session because some are saying Monday, some are saying 5 p.m. Okay, so I will inform you there. Okay, do join my Telegram channel. 2 p.m. is very odd time, Parag. Fine. No, dear, notch factor is different. Notch factor is the Kf minus 1 by Kt minus 1. Notch factor is this. Notch sensitivity factor is different. That is actually, there are two types of maximum stresses. One is actual, one is theoretical. So notch factor is the increase in actual maximum stress divided by increase in theoretical stress. So that is notch sensitivity factor. This stress concentration factor is Kf is actual factor sigma max by sigma nominal. And when we talk about Kt, there we are going to have sigma max theoretical divided by sigma nominal. From where this theoretical is coming? Theoretical is coming from experiment only. But why we call it theoretical? Because that experiment is done with different material and type of loading. Different material and type of loading. Because all the tests are performed in the central polariscope. And in central polariscope, when we are going to perform the experiment, we are using actually the synthetics. Rather than in real material, we will be having steel. But testing will not be performed on the steel. Testing will be performed on the synthetics. Okay. So because of that, as we are not using the same material for testing, we call it as theoretical stress concentration factor. Okay. So that you have studied in machine design. If you have not, my marathon is available on YouTube where I taught machine design, and on this channel also for gate marathons will be coming. Okay. So moving to question number 25, guys. Select the wrong statement. Dear, I feel you are very late now, Alexander 99Z, because you are left with very few days. So I will not recommend you now to go for any non-technical part, because even if 20 marks or 25 marks non-technical part is coming, you have that much questions to solve from technical part. Rather than going for the like extra syllabus, you need to work on aptitude part more, because there it will be easy for you to score. Because this is in these 5-7 days you cannot go for that non-technical and extra syllabus part. You should go for aptitude part now, because you need not to score 180 out of 180 R. If you are going to get more than 100 and 110, you will be qualified for the next round. But don't target 110, target approximately 150. So assume that 25 questions will be coming from that. So make aptitude stronger. If you would be asking this question 2 months back, then I would be recommending you कि you have to go for basics of project management, basics of material science. These are the topics which are in your domain. You can prepare for them. Okay? But if you are talking about now, there is no time left here. Now don't waste your time. Okay? So better you prepare for technical and aptitude part better. So dear, stress concentration in static load is more pronounced in case of brittle material. In cyclic loading, stress concentration is more serious in ductile material. The maximum stress at the location of stress concentration is determined by photographic method. And guys, next they are saying stress concentration factor is independent of the geometry of the discontinuities in configuration of the machine part. So my dear, if you see here, you can see in cyclic loading, stress concentration is more serious in ductile material. This is the wrong statement because it is always more serious in brittle materials. Okay. So that is why the answer will be B for this. Is it clear? Moving to question number 26, guys. Stress concentration factor. Stress concentration factor is the ratio of endurance limit without stress concentration to endurance limits with stress concentration. Endurance limit with stress concentration to endurance limit without stress concentration. Endurance limit with stress concentration to factor of safety or none of these. So guys, what would be the answer for this? So my dear, whenever we are going to define KT, we are saying sigma max by sigma nominal. This sigma max is considering effect of stress concentration. This is without stress concentration. Okay, so this is same as the previous question. Okay, so moving to the next question, guys. 27. Resistance to fatigue of a material is measured by. Resistance to fatigue of a material is measured by. Resistance to fatigue of a material is measured by. Yes, B is correct, Ajesh. Resistance to fatigue of a material is measured by. Resistance to fatigue of a material is measured by. Is it Young's modulus, endurance limit, UTM, or coefficient of elasticity? Nikhil Pal, YS are saying B. Shubham B, Animesh B. B is the right answer, guys. Endurance limit is the correct answer for this. Because endurance limit is not a property. It depends on surface finish. It depends on reliability. It depends on stress concentration. It depends on size. So answer for this is going to be B, guys. Moving to question number 28. For bolt of uniform strength, the shank diameter is made equals to. Dear, whenever we are going to make a bolt, it is going to be like this. This is a bolt. If you want to make a bolt of uniform diameter, you have two ways. You know, this part is strong. This part is weak. Why? Because here this diameter is effective. Here this diameter is effective. That is why this is strong, this is weak. If you want to make uniform, either make this part weak or make this part strong. So if you want to make this part weak, we make a hole into this. So by drilling a hole into this, we can make this part weak. Or you can provide the threads external. or you can provide the threads externally, like threads are provided like this. So in that case, this diameter and this diameter will become equal. So answer is shank diameter will be equals to what? Very good, Charan. It is going to be what? It is going to be minor diameter of the threads. Clear. Very good. Very good, Charan. So guys, this was question number 28. The last question from my side is this. The objective of caulking in a reverted joint is to make the joint. Last question from my side. So guys, do like and share the session, join my Telegram channel, download the Resultant Mechanical app. What is the benefit, sir? If you will like, share and subscribe the channel, for upcoming sessions, you will get the notification. If you join my Telegram channel, you will get a lot of free study material, handwritten notes, and also the link of the sessions, also the PDF of this session. If you download the Resultant Mechanical app, their free HPCL tests are available. Okay, so that will help you. Okay. Parag, try to keep it around, like, try to have a target of 130, 140. Okay. Cutoff is going approximately 100. So if you go for 130, 140, fair chances of selection will be there. So answer for this is going to be leak-proof joint, guys. Caulking and fullering are done to make the leak-proof joints. Okay. So guys, with this, we have completed the 2-day session. This PDF will be available on my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. Okay. And free HPCL mock test. One more test is going to be live tomorrow. So be ready for that. Okay. So you will be getting benefit by downloading Resultant Mechanical app. Dear, if you are finding any discrepancy in admit card and all, you should contact to the their customer care mail or ID they have given at the time of, not customer care. Actually, during the time of notification, they have mentioned a ID and number. There, contact them. Okay, it will not cause any problem, because that may be the issue of many students, but you can mention there. They will tell you the solution. Okay, so that is the only way. Okay, so goodbye, guys, for this particular session. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying, and every day we are going to meet for a session now, so don't worry about that, and you will be informed for the session via Telegram and also get notification from the channel. So goodbye, guys, for this particular session. Let's meet again. And guys, if you're preparing for GATE, tonight I am coming up with a session where I will be telling you about the perfect 6-month strategy for the GATE examination. Okay, so you can join me live there as well. So goodbye for this session.